Since moving to Florida, I'm so thankful I found this product because I have had to take extra good care of my hair. Something that has truly helped my hair with the frizz and the UV exposure to the sun is this right here. This is the Pantene Pro-Vitamin Repair Essence, and it really only takes a few sprays from root to tip. I use this on wash day and during touch-up days. This is the hair product of the summer. If you guys want strong, healthy looking hair, definitely check out the link in my bio, or you can shop on Amazon.